Thanks for tuning in to Stocks of the Hour. I'm Abby Phillips. Yesterday after close, Kazia Therapeutics, an oncology-focused drug development company, announced a presentation of new data from an ongoing research collaboration with the Huntsman Cancer Institute at the University of Utah. A poster presentation by Dr. Jeannie Parkman and colleagues working in the laboratory of Professor Sherry Holman has shown paxilosib to be active in vitro and in vivo against a range of preclinical models of metastatic melanoma, the most aggressive form of skin cancer. Professor Sherry Holman, lead investigator on the project, commented, "This is among the most promising single-agent data that we have seen in our research." She added, despite the widespread adoption of immunotherapy in recent years, there remains a substantial unmet need in melanoma, particularly in those patients who develop brain metastases. In the US overnight, Kazia's ADR spiked aggressively on the opening of the news. Average daily volume was up over 50% and the day's VWAP was Australian dollar equivalent of around 18 cents, 15% higher than the closing price on the ASX yesterday. Shares are trading 3.2% lower at 15 cents. Green Technology Metals announced inaugural assay results from its 100% owned Root project, located approximately 200 kilometres west of GreenTech's flagship Seymour project. Phase 1 diamond drilling at the Root project has intersected thick and continuous high-grade spodumene pegmatites from surface. 19 holes have been drilled to date, all intersecting spodumene-bearing pegmatites. 2 diamond drill rigs are now operating 24/7 due to the drill success. The initial program will be expanded along strike and down dip. We spoke with Luke Cox, GT1's CEO, regarding the announcement this morning.
The recent assay results that we've just released on the Root project, now they're spodumene-bearing pegmatites from surface. We've drilled them to a depth of 100 metres. They're thick, they're high grade. And what we've seen is the spodumene crystals are very highly packed. They're coarse in nature, which means they're easily retrievable. So that's great news for the Root project and great news for GT1.
Shares are trading 2.1% higher at 96 cents. Winsome Resources provided an update on its drilling campaigns, which are progressing well at their projects in Quebec, Canada. All holes drilled to date have intercepted pegmatites, including large intervals close to the surface. Winsome's managing director Chris Evans commented, "These early intercepts, some of which appear to be significant pegmatite intervals, continue the positive stories developing at both Canset and Adina." Shares were up 43.8% this morning at 53 cents before being placed in a trading halt.